When looking for the best hoverboards for kids, it's essential to consider factors such as weight capacity, speed, battery life, and safety features. It's also important to look for hoverboards that have been certified by recognized safety organizations, such as UL, to ensure that they meet stringent safety standards. Number 1. Hover1 2.0 Hoverboard. If your kids are fond of keeping a luxury-style hoverboard, then this hoverboard from the banner of Hover1 can quench their thirst. Let me tell you, the Hover1 6.5-inch chrome hoverboard is one of the most rated and most demanding hoverboards on Amazon. It's one of the top-selling hoverboards of Amazon. That's the reason Hover1 6.5-inch hoverboard is amongst Amazon's choices. Hover1 is a reliable name in the manufacturing of self-balancing scooters. They always aim to manufacture something different than others. That's why they have launched a luxury-style hoverboard that is suitable for kids. Trust me, it's a dream gift for any kid. While testing, we enjoyed music with its powerful Bluetooth speakers that amaze us. Besides this, it is compatible with its official smartphone application. You can control your entire hoverboard with your smartphone. Either you want to change the soundtrack or the riding modes, just use your smartphone to do so. This is not the end. There are still so many things left to tell you about the Hover1 Chrome 2.0 hoverboard. Chrome 2.0 is equipped with powerful dual hub motors of 150 watts each that give a total output of 300 watts. With this much power, its 6.5-inch wheels can reach the top speed of 7 miles/hour, which is super amazing. Not only speed, but it also has an amazing riding range. You can ride as long as 6 miles on a single full charge. This hoverboard from the banner of Hover1 has undergone numerous electrical and mechanical tests to get the UL 2272 certifications. Apart from this, it is designed and built with fire-resistant material that is extremely safe and sound for your kids. Hover1 Chrome 2.0 hoverboard with its amazing features is one of the best kids hoverboards that will surely bring a smile to their faces. It's safe and secure with all its attractive features. Number 2. Lieagle Hoverboard. Now here comes the second girl's hoverboard. Not because it has something related to Barbie or Elsa, but because of its attractive and shiny bright pink color that makes it perfect for girls. Lieagle has launched this chrome pink hoverboard, especially for kids and teenagers. It has features that are more or less similar to other hoverboards. But this is one of the ultra-fast and lightweight hoverboards. It has 6.5-inch wear-resistant and puncture-resistant rubber wheels that are completely non-slip. These wheels are powerful enough to hit the maximum speed of 7.5 miles/hour with a climbing capacity of 15 degrees. But all of these functions require a powerful motor. Lieagle Hoverboard is supported with a brushless motor of 200 watts, giving riders an awesome riding experience. If I talk about its maximum riding range, I am sure it will not disappoint you. This hoverboard has a maximum riding range of 10 kilometers, which in my opinion is more than enough for a kid's hoverboard. Besides the motor, hoverboard requires 36V of lithium-ion battery to provide proper electric current to motors and other functions of hoverboards. These batteries are long-lasting and require only 2 to 3 hours of charging time. After the batteries are fully charged up, you can enjoy hovering till their maximum range. But keep in mind that it all depends on the rider's weight, road condition, and speed of the hoverboard. Lieagle Hoverboard is ideal for doing multiple tricks with a hoverboard because it has the ability to rotate for 360 degrees along with anti-tilt protection. This lightweight hoverboard that weighs only 18 pounds can easily support 264 pounds of rider's weight. This means not only kids, even adults can have fun on it too. Lieagle Kids Hoverboard gives unlimited fun and adventure. Number 3. CBD Kids Hoverboard. It is UL 2272 certified, which means the board and the battery system has undergone numerous tests to achieve this certification. So concerning safety, you can stay relaxed, it's 100% safe. This product will not gonna spark, overheat, or catch wildfire. It has 6.5 solid rubber tires that give you the joy of a smooth ride. These hoverboards are classy in look and smartly built. The body of the hoverboard is built using aluminum and plastic combinations, making it one of the durable hoverboards. Talking about speed and range, with the help of its 36V lithium-ion batteries and 250 watts of a dual hub motor, this hoverboard can hit the maximum speed of 6 miles per hour, and you can enjoy this speed till 6.21 miles, which is superb. The hoverboard is packed with some additional features to attract children, like it has a built-in Bluetooth speaker that lets your kid enjoy their favorite music on the streets. Moreover, it has RGB LED colorful lights on the front of the hoverboard and the bumpers. LED lights are the most important component for children's hoverboards, as lights keep them safe from road accidents. CBD self-balancing hoverboard is one of the lightest hoverboards. It weighs only 10 pounds, but it is capable of bearing heavy rider weight. It can accommodate a maximum of 200 pounds of rider's weight. CBD hoverboard is simple and decent and quite appropriate for kids that look for sober stuff. Number 4. Unisun Safe Hoverboard. If your kids are a big fan of white color, then Unisun Hoverboard for kids is the perfect option for them. This hoverboard is super attractive because of its shiny color and its LEDs on the front. Unisun Hoverboard is available in multiple colors, like blue, red, black, and pink and white. Indeed, this one is the perfect gift to present any hoverboard freak. Let's throw some lights on the feature of this Unisun Kids Hoverboard. It has 6.5 unique wheels that have colorful lights of shiny patterns. These are flashing lights that give a unique riding experience at night time. The wheels are made up of anti-skid and puncture-proof material, so you can fearlessly ride them anywhere. But keep in mind, they are not all-terrain wheels. The hoverboard is packed with immense power that gives a maximum speed of 9.3 miles per hour with a full range of 9.3 miles. You can enjoy this much speed and range in just a single charge, after which you have to wait for a good 2 to 3 hours to let it charge fully. It comes with LED lights that you will find on the bumper and fender. These lights make it quite attractive. I am sure if you are in your group of hoverboard riders, your hoverboard with its appearance and lights will stand apart from others' hoverboards. Unisun Hoverboard has come with self-balancing technology that makes it easier for the ride to gain balance quickly. This product weighs only 20 pounds but is capable of bearing 264 pounds of rider weight. Unisun Kids Hoverboards are especially targeted for a kid, that's why they have designed it keeping in mind each and everything related to kids. Therefore, they have incorporated high-quality built-in Bluetooth speakers that let you have a musical party at night. Now you have understood why it's in my list of kids hoverboards. One more reason for adding this hoverboard to the list is, these hoverboards are UL 2272 certified. So safety of your kid is guaranteed with Unisun. Number 5. Veveline Hoverboards. Veveline Hoverboard is one of the most affordable hoverboards that claim to offer the best value for money. It is the combination of creative and unique design coupled with the highest quality of the material. This hoverboard is available in lots of attractive eye-catching colors. Veveline Hoverboard has a small wheel size that is 6.5 vacuum tires that give you jerk-free riding on semi-smooth surfaces. These tires are 100% explosion-free. Talking about its performance, it has 300 watts dual motor under the hood that is responsible for its powerful performance. Performance is so much powerful that it can easily carry 260 lbs of riders with a maximum speed of 9 miles per hour with a decent range of 7.5 miles. I really found this feature of the Veveline Hoverboard an amazing one. I mean, moving with maximum speed while carrying a heavy load. Superb. It is equipped with 36V lithium-ion batteries that require quick charging once they are depleted completely. Apart from all these technical specs, it has built-in Bluetooth speakers that don't let you ride in a boring fashion. With Veveline you can ride with style, because it has so many colorful flashing lights on the wheels. Besides this, there are some colorful LED lights on the front and the fender. If your kids hover on the Veveline Hoverboard, they will feel as if lights are floating with them. Veveline Hoverboards are UL 2272 certified. So this means you can blindly trust Veveline and buy one for your kids.